What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto platform review. And today I'm giving you guys an update on Veneto Financial. Now, there's been a lot going on with this platform. They changed up their plans, they revamped the website, all of this type of stuff. So we got to cover all of that. I got to let you know what's happening with this platform. You know, I'm going to keep you updated on everything I know in the space. So if you want to stay updated on that, then I need you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto platform review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this Veneto Financial situation, right? So Veneto Financial, you know, I introduced it like a week or so ago, telling you guys about the platform. There was some concerns that I had about it, but then I went back and showed you guys how to make a deposit, all of that type of stuff, right? So since then, there's been some stuff going on. I don't know if you all are in the platform, but if you are, then you notice that there was some maintenance that was going on the other day. The website was down. It was like, oops, we're down for maintenance. You know, one of the support people hit me up and said, hey, we're down for maintenance, and that's cool, right? And so they said, we'll be back up shortly. So you know how it is with these platforms. I didn't know if it was coming back or if it was going to be gone forever, but lo and behold, it came back, and that's good, right? So they came back, and then they had made some changes, and support covered those changes for me so I can cover them with you all, right? So I wanted to make sure you guys are up to date on the latest information, right? So they have an important notice here. So let me read over this for you guys, and then we're going to jump into the back office and everything. It said, important update, Veneto Financial plans change. Dear valued customers, we are writing to inform you that Veneto Financial has undergone changes to its plans affecting your current account status. To ensure continuity and access to your active deposits, please take the following steps. They say action required. Sign up for a new account on our updated platform, which is at venetofinancial.com. That's right, venetofinancial.com. Confirm your deposit details and reactivate your account. Now, here are the key changes to their plans. The startup plan has a minimum of $20 and a maximum purchase of $600. The trading revenue that you're going to get from this one is 1% per day, and the trading cycle is 12 days. The referral bonus is 1%, and yes, you get your capital back. And here's what they added: instant withdrawals, right? That's pretty cool. I saw this when I said, if they're doing instant withdrawals, you know I'm going to test it out, right? As soon as I get some profit off of my plan, once I select it, the next day, I'm going to let you guys know if we're getting those instant withdrawals. Then they have the finance plan, which is a minimum purchase of $2,000, maximum purchase of $18,000. Trading revenue is 4.5% per day, and you're going to have a trading cycle of 26 days. Yes, you get a referral bonus on this one. It's 5%, and the capital is returned, and you get instant withdrawal. Then we have our VIP plan. VIP plan is $1,000 is the minimum purchase. The maximum purchase is $500,000. The trading revenue is 10%. The trading cycle is 7 days. Hold on, that thing said 10% a day for 7 days. Referral bonus is 7%. Is the capital return? Yes. And instant withdrawal? Yes. So that's going to be pretty cool if we take advantage of those plans, if they last for us, right? Now, let's talk about this. Benefits of updating your account. Maintain access to your active deposits. Enjoy enhanced security features and taking advantage of improved service and benefits. Here's the thing. They said they got support in place. If you have questions or concerns, our dedicated support team is here to assist you. Contact to us on platform support. So that's what they're saying here. Just the message I got from support. And they're saying that they updated all these things. I'm going to go in. You guys are going in live with me for me to check the back office. Yes, I did log in, but I didn't check out everything. I wanted to do it on the video while I was recording this with you guys, so you guys can be first partakers, right? So I did go on the website, though, and look and see that they have updated the same information that we were talking about. They did update that on the website. If we go over here to subscriptions, right here, subscriptions is actually where they show your plans. Just don't let that name throw you off. So here are the subscriptions here, and you can see that they have those updated. I believe they're updated. Hold on, let me see. It looks like this one is not updated. No, I was wrong. Wait a minute. They still have the premium plan up here. Then they have the finance plan. The finance plan is right. The VIP plan is right. But I didn't have in my notes the premium plan. So the premium plan is showing up here, but they're not saying that they have that plan on the notes that they sent me. So I don't know if you can actually do that. Maybe they just didn't update it properly on the website, but we will see. All right. So I'm in the back office now, and you see how the back office looks. It's pretty sleek. This is a new look. It's blue. Now it's a blue background with some blue accents and stuff like this. The front page of the website is red, and now that they're going to this blue theme on the inside is a little bit different. But hey, that's just what I noticed, right? So you'll notice in here that I have a $400 deposit. Some of you all may remember originally I had $500 deposit in the platform, but I was able to withdraw $100 of the principal out. So I know that's one of the things that we had concerns about before, where you're going to be able to withdraw some of the principal. And I was able to withdraw $100 of the principal out. That left me with $400 in the principal. Now, when I had to go back in and sign up for the account again, I did go ahead and get the active deposit of my $400. And this is currently in the startup plan because that's what it qualifies for. Okay. Now, when you look at your deposit, it's going to show you what plan you're on and what it qualifies for and all of that type of stuff. So as you can see, I'm on a startup plan, which is between $20 and $600, and you're going to get 1% daily profit every single day. So it looks like now on this, I will be getting 1% profit off of my $400 every single day, right? So, and you earn that for 12 days. So if I look at that, and if we do the math on that, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I can expect with this, and you guys can look at it and see if it's something that you can handle. So if we did the 400 times 1%, of course, is $4, and then you get that for 12 days, then that's going to be $48. So my $400 made me $48 in 12 days, and then at the end of the 12 days I get my 400 back. So you have to assess this and say, is this worth the amount of risk for you making the $48 in 12 days if you wanted to put something like $400 into it? And so you look at this and you decided if you want to do it, and if you get the full cycle out of it, that means that you're going to get the full 12 days, you get the $48. You can decide at that point if you're going to go back in and do it again and continue to make more money, right? Now, you could choose whatever plan is best for you. Of course, guys, nobody's going to tell you which plan that you should choose. But just, you want to keep an eye on your platforms that you're dealing with, that you're participating in. You want to make sure you're getting what you're supposed to get. You want to make sure you're maneuvering according to your strategy, right? You may have a strategy like me. I'm not telling you what strategy you should have. I'm not your financial advisor. I don't give financial advice, guys. This should not be considered any type of financial advice. But, for me, a lot of times I'm trying to do withdrawals to get my initial capital back as soon as possible. Now, it can be a little different with platforms like this because of the fact that that you get your initial capital back after the 12 days, right? So, you'll see how, you participate with this, and you'll see what strategy you want to use as you're participating in this program. Now, if you were brand new to the program over here, you can go ahead and make a deposit into the platform by just going in and hitting this button for invest that I was trying to show you guys here. So if you hit this, you can choose the plan that you want. If you wanted to do the startup plan, you'll see where you're going to send the actual funds from. And if you're going to send it USDT, TRC20, or Ethereum, or Tron, or BNB Smart Chain, you would choose the one that you want. You'll put in the amount, and then you hit deposit, and it's going to give you a screen that shows you where to send your crypto, right? So they can activate your plan there, and so you can start earning from this within the next 24 to 48 hours, okay? So yeah, that's my spiel right here on this platform. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated on everything that's going on with the platform. If I see anything that stands out positively or negatively or whatever happens, I'm going to share it with you guys to make sure that you guys are up to date. Oh, as always, guys, you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.